Hi all, I wanted to do a quick market summary and expectations for the week starting on the 1st of April 2024. Before I begin, I would like to mention that this is an educational channel. All content over here is for the sake of education. Kindly read the disclaimer you see on the screen and in the description below. With that said, let's proceed. So we'll straight away go on to our charts, and for the sake of this example, I'll be looking at monthly charts. So the concern area for me currently is I'm looking at US futures. Now, US futures had a very bad closing on Friday, and today is not looking very good. Again, they are all into red. So I'm especially concerned about Nasdaq. Nasdaq is looking low, and that can have a relative impact on our IT stocks. US 30 also is not looking very good. The last day of the month, and US 500 also is not looking that great as of now. All right. So unless things improve overnight, I mean, if things start to get better moving forward, then there is a ray of hope that tomorrow we'll have a decent opening. If not, considering the closing we had on Friday, and if today also ends in red globally, I mean all global futures, that is US, UK and stuff, and maybe even Japanese index, then probably we'll also open gap down. There are chances of Nifty opening anywhere gap down between 150 200 points. Let's look at our own indices. In fact, not our indices, the indices that I would be concerned about at this point of time, or the indices that I think will have or has the potential to have a negative impact in the coming week. First of all would be IT. Nasdaq took a hit on Friday. Today is looking no better, and RIT also is not doing better. It's already dropped so much. In the these are monthly charts, by the way, and if things don't recover from here, then we can probably be looking at a little more pain in IT. IT is anyway suffering. The contra bet over here could be Nifty Finance. Now, Nifty Finance has been, that is Nifty Financial Services, that has been on a very strong spurt in the last 1 month. If you can see this big green candle, it's kind of making a double top right now. So this could be a contra bet. If there's no other place for things to drop, then maybe Nifty Finance would drop, and the other index that I would be a little concerned about would be Nifty Pharma and Nifty Auto. These are again two indices that can see drops. So this is Pharma index. There's room for it to go down, and this is the Auto index. There's some room for it to go down as well. So if everything does not do very well tomorrow, and if our indices are opening gap down, then these are the sectors that I will be especially concerned about. Topping the list would be IT. Then for me would be the contra bet, which is Nifty Financial Services. See, in the markets, when things become strong, they keep getting stronger, and the weak getting weaker. So the Nifty Financial bet is a contra bet. But apart from that, Auto, Pharma, and what else could be weak? I really don't think anything else at this point of time is coming to my mind. But yeah, we should start on a cautionary note the first day of April, because as of now, things are not looking very good when it comes to global futures. On the 2nd of April, the US tariffs also are going to come into effect. So that's another thing that we need to keep in mind. I think the coming week also has got a few more events. I don't know exactly what, but some data or the other will come out from the US. So it's a week and a month that is going to be starting off on a cautionary note. Be a little cautious, see how things develop over the first 1 or 2 days of the month, and then take a call from there. So what I've just shared with you are monthly charts. These are how things are looking on the monthly time frame. Auto is looking like this, Pharma is looking like this, IT is looking like this, and financial services are looking like this. The reason I chose to discuss only indices and not individual stocks is, it's not a great idea discussing individual stocks. That is why I'm discussing indices. All indices are there on the right hand side of my screen, apart from Nifty and Bank Nifty. I suggest you also make something like this way you can quickly, check what is doing good, what sector is doing good, what sector is not doing good. Make a chart like this in TradingView. It's got IT, small cap, auto, pharma. These are all nifty indices: nifty metal, FMCG, energy, PSU bank, realty, private bank, infra, PSC, that is public sector enterprise, healthcare, oil and gas. What is this? Consumer durables, commodities, India defense, Indian capital markets. So when you have something like this on the right hand side of your screen, basically your indices, which are derivatives of Nifty, at one glance you can see which sector is doing good and which sector is doing bad. Tomorrow my eyes will be on this, and as I told you, expectations from the coming week are a little bit on the negative end, because seems to be starting on a negative note. So be mindful of how global futures end tonight and what kind of a start we get tomorrow. I'll end this video on that note, that let the market first settle down, and I think the first 5 minutes are going to be very volatile. I think we should let the market settle down for the first 15 minutes and then see how things go from there. As of now, things are looking as if we're going to have a 150 200 point gap down. The problem with gap up and gap down is they don't leave much room for movement post that. Let's just see. All right, so just telling you that start the month of April on a slightly cautionary note, and then we will see how the first week of April develops and we'll take it from there. All right, so thanks a lot, guys. I hope you all had a good weekend. I'm looking forward to the week starting tomorrow. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you're already a subscriber, consider becoming a member by clicking on the join button. If you're not yet subscribed, then please subscribe to the channel, share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our free Telegram channel. The link is given in the description. In all our videos, members have access to WhatsApp as well, and also buy all your Amazon products from our Amazon affiliate link. The link is given in the description. Once you click on that link, it will take you to Amazon. You won't be paying anything extra for any purchase that you make. You'll be paying what anybody else would pay, but we make a small commission every time you make a purchase through our affiliate links. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.